Even my grandmother asked me for this recipe for this chicken. It's so good. So the first step in this recipe is to separate 3 large pieces of chicken. You want to just cut the chicken pieces in half, but it's not necessary to split the chicken in half. I just recommend it. Now repeat the process. Just cut it in half very, very carefully. Now the next step, we are going to season the chicken. So start with some salt. You want to just sprinkle the salt all over the meat, just like that. Then season with a little bit of black pepper. This step is super simple and easy. You want to just spread the seasoning all over the meat. Now set aside for a few moments. Now we're just going to heat a pan over medium heat, and you want to add 1 tablespoon of butter and melt that butter well enough to fry our chicken in. Then we're going to add the cut up chicken pieces to the pan. And now just fry for a few minutes. And when your chicken is ready, go ahead and season it again. And start that process by adding pieces of garlic to the middle of the meat. You can really add as much garlic as you like or as little as you don't like, and repeat the process throughout the whole chicken. Next, we're going to add a generous dollop of butter to the middle of our chicken. This is going to be so tasty and so perfect. The amount of butter is optional, but it definitely enhances the richness of flavor. Just add the butter to the middle of the chicken. And after frying the chicken on one side, we're just going to carefully turn it over and fry again on the other side. Do this very carefully, leave it to fry for just a few more minutes, and our chicken is ready. So go ahead and remove the pan and serve on a plate. You can also kind of remove the excess oil too. Now in the same pan, we're going to fry some diced potatoes. So when your potatoes are nice and golden, it's time for the onion. You want to just season with 1 chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and just stir everything gently and carefully so as not to burn yourself. Meanwhile, we're going to finish the recipe. So for the sauce, we're going to start with 200 grams of cream, 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, a little parsley to taste, and just stir and mix everything together really, really well. This sauce is so incredible. Just set it aside after you have finished stirring and place the chicken pieces on top of your potatoes. Now we're going to add some chopped tomatoes. I love this recipe so much. I'm getting so hungry just cooking it. Now finish with the cheese sauce. Just spread it out really well over your chicken. And that's it. Now we're just going to cover and cook until that cheese is super melted. And in just a few minutes, our recipe is ready. So remove the chicken from the pan and serve this on a plate. This recipe is super complete and needs no accompaniment. It's great on its own, but if you prefer, you can serve this with rice or with a salad. I think we should go ahead and taste this. My mouth is watering. So this is perfect chicken. Please enjoy.